You keep losing in crypto because the system is stacked against you. Pre-mined tokens, insider wallets, rigged launches, you've never really had a shot. And that's exactly why fairness matters more than ever. BlockMiner.Fun is a launchpad for proof-of-work tokens where every project starts from zero. There's no team tokens, no early access, no hidden deals like you see in the proof-of-stake world. With proof of work, you can't fake a launch. No one gets a head start. No one can manipulate the supply. If you want tokens, you have to earn them by mining. A proof of work structure removes the usual crypto scam risks. No rug pulls, no stealth mints, no mystery insiders. Everything is on-chain and transparent from the first block. Now, you might think mining is super complicated, but with BlockMiner.Fun, it's not complicated at all because they remove all the tech. It's completely transparent. You just open your mining rig with one click. It's proof of work made easy and accessible to everyone. I'm not going to lie, I've been the exit liquidity on more proof of stake projects than I care to ever remember or admit, which is why I've started mining meme coins on BlockMiner. Not only that, I'm gearing up to launch my own proof of work token on BlockMiner.Fun. I'll be talking a lot more about my upcoming meme coin launch, and in the meme time, please make sure that you give a follow to BlockMiner.Fun.
Find my truth at BlockMiner.Fun. No rugs, no kings, no payout schemes, just blocks and rigs and honest dreams. The chain is hard, the work is real. That's crypto I can truly